This is a Coke advert, and I love to tell you, I love Coke, dudes. Look, Coke bottle. You need to go buy some from your local supermarket, right? Right now. Go, go, go. Come on. Hurry up. Yeah, you may find me a bit weird, but think that's weird. These my best friends like him as well. Oh yeah, I love Coke bottles. But then again, my arm got shut off after stealing one from Osama bin Laden. And then I eventually called the army. They had hunted him down where I told them to, and then they killed him. Remember, about a year ago now? Now, back off, Jimmy. Yeah, shut up. Anyway, but I want to... Shut up, Jimmy! Yeah, so we're buying Coke. You need to buy Coke now, okay? Right, Zila, I gotta go sort this guy out. Yeah, so you need to buy some Coke, because everybody's chasing after me about it, especially a big dog, which is probably behind me now. I love